Okay, it's Wednesday, July 12th, just following up on CRM, Salesforce. You can see here it reached its first target. Bought it here at the blue line, 223.71. The first target was up here at 225. It just hit that. It got as high as 225.17. So this is a logical pause area. We'll see what happens next, but it's kind of a no-risk trade at this point. Like I said, I bought the stock here early on at 223.71. This was early on the 5-minute chart. I was pretty aggressive because I saw the first target as it was heading up here and pausing and then heading up higher. Bought it here at the blue line. We've reached our first target. And if you look at the daily chart, the reason I really like this one on this 2-up day here on the daily chart was you could just see this target just sitting right here to be taken out. So now this is a logical pause area, but if we continue up above there, within this uptrend, which is very possible, then you could see we go to the weekly chart and there's a pretty big window towards its next target. This is a big consolidation here, breaking out, hitting that target. If we hold above here, we might pause here, but then we're heading up right up here into this area, which is like the 234 area. So that's almost 10 points higher here on the weekly chart. If we close green and kind of hold the midpoint of this bar during the week, into next week, we're heading up 10 points higher. So we'll see what happens today. The 15-minute chart, again, having its logical pause area here. But if we just kind of hold this midpoint of the first bar and just pause, in some orderly way and start up again and break out above here, there's a big window to head higher. So no risk right now. You can scale out right up here if you bought it here and kind of watch it closely. If you fail, then, we'll get below the midpoint of that bar. But if we just kind of hold in here orderly, then there's definitely targets above. So a good trade on Salesforce. Again, main thing being that when you looked at the chart, you saw this target, on this up opening, you saw this high probability target right here. So you had a kind of an opportunity to get in early to hit that, and that's what we're doing now. And you can see the obvious pause, but that doesn't mean we're not heading a lot higher. So good trade on Salesforce.